Hi, this is Chelsea, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Hi, Chelsea. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. And time starts now. Favorite vacation spot?
Ooh, I'm gonna have to say Cancun.
Oh, okay, nice. Best movie or TV series of all time?
Oh, my favorite movie is probably Nightmare on Elm Street, and my favorite TV series is probably Dexter.
Okay, nice. Something you're great at cooking.
Oh, I can cook really great Persian food, but I can cook anything as long as I have a recipe.
Awesome. What's your favorite character?
Currently, it's probably Bluey. I love watching that show with my 2-year-old daughter.
Okay, cool. Who put the alphabet in alphabetical order?
Uh, I don't know. That's a crazy question. Probably cavemen. I don't know.
Okay, nice. Song you sing in the shower.
I don't sing in the shower, but I think a lot about work, or I like make up fake scenarios in my brain so I can win conversations.
Okay, good. And time's up. Thank you, Chelsea.
Thanks.
Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?